Hi friends, I'm Sarah. Thanks for coming back to Grace in My Space. Today we are talking about organic cleaning. Today I'm going to share 3 easy ways to begin a transition to chemical-free cleaning in your home. Somewhere along the way over the last several years, especially after my kids were born, I started investigating the effect that having chemicals in my home has on our health. I think that as time goes on, as more research is done, more findings are published, it's pretty easy to see that there are some really easy ways to nix some of the chemicals that we use in our homes and create a healthier lifestyle for our families. For a long time, I kind of resisted that transition because I thought it would either be more expensive, more inconvenient, or harder to accomplish, but it's not. So today I'm going to focus on 3 ways that you can kind of begin a transition to chemical-free cleaning in your home if this is something that has been on your mind and you've just kind of maybe used one of those same excuses that I had to not start that process. I'm going to make it really easy for you. But today we're going to talk about a DIY option for those of you who are ambitious, even though it's actually really easy. Then we're going to talk about a purchasable option, and then we're going to talk about another option that has no cleaners involved whatsoever. As you can see, I have all my supplies here, so let's get started. I'm going to start by boiling 2 cups of water. You can use distilled water, but I don't have any on hand, and this will work just as well. While that water cools, we're going to take a glass spray bottle that I use for my all-purpose cleaner, and we're going to create the other mixture. You can find this all-purpose cleaner recipe on my blog, along with lots of other cleaning tips for organic cleaning. And that's all it takes to create your own all-purpose cleaner. This is great for kitchens, bathrooms, the dinner table after you're done eating, all kinds of uses for one cleaner. I use my Cricut and I add labels to things like this just so I know exactly what it is that I made. Super easy to do. Now, if you are not a DIY cleaner maker, then you can also buy cleaners that are organic. I am a Branch Basics affiliate because when I purchased their product the first time, I fell in love with the ease of it. You get a concentrate and you mix it with water to create your cleaners. That's it. In a starter kit, they send you a couple of different bottles with labels already on them for all-purpose cleaners, bathroom cleaner, and window cleaner. The difference is simply the soap to water ratio for each different cleaner. It's just a different strength depending on what you need. So if you are brand new to the concept of chemical-free cleaning, Branch Basics is an option for you. It's a great option for you. And since I'm an affiliate, I have a 15% off coupon if you would like to use it for their starter kit. You can find that in the description below. The third option includes no cleaners whatsoever. It just includes these cloths. These are called Ecloths. I am an affiliate for them as well, which means I also have a coupon code for you in the description. And this has taken the microfiber cloth and taken it to the next level. There are different cloths for different purposes, and they're also all labeled so that you know which one goes with which, because we really don't want to switch out the bathroom cloth with the kitchen cloth, okay? So just to give you a little variety, this is one of the kitchen cloths. It has a scrubby on the edge, which is great for getting like on my tile behind my stove. This one is just an all-purpose cloth. I have a dusting cloth, a stainless steel cloth with a little bit of grit on there. There's also a bathroom cloth currently in my washing machine. That's a good day for me. But my favorite of the Ecloths is the window cloth and the polishing cloth. This completely replaces your need for a Windex or a glass cleaner. Can you see it? Has these little grooves in it which trap the dirt so easily. And then after you've finished with the window cloth, you use the polishing cloth and dry it. It leaves no streaks, and best of all, I have 0 qualms about sending my children to wash all of our windows because they don't have to spray anything anywhere. All you do for all of these cloths, except for the dusting cloth because you don't want that to be wet, is you get them wet. You just get them wet and you use a damp cloth and you wipe down everything. And there is science behind why that works and why it gives you a good clean, but I can testify to the fact that it does. If you visit my blog post, you'll find all kinds of recipes that include really natural cleaning ingredients like lemons, vinegar, essential oils, things that are really easy for you to use and have confidence that it's going to be healthy for your family. A lot of the recipes include borax, washing soda, baking soda, salt, things that have been used for generations. And I have really cute ways that I store them as well, because you know that that's something that makes me happy. A little bit of cute organization goes a long way with my cleaning products. Hopefully one of these 3 ways will be something that you feel comfortable transitioning into your household to help your family have a healthier lifestyle and also just get a really good clean. Make sure to check out the blog post for more recipes. Check out the description below for those coupon codes and get yourself started on either some DIY recipes, some branch basics, or maybe some Ecloths, or a combination of all 3, because that's what I do. Thanks for stopping by today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and stay tuned for more to come.